We're having technical difficulties, y'all. Unfortunately, I don't think I was supposed to leave that chicken in the refrigerator for that long. Once that get done defrosting, then we back. But till then, we're waiting. But I don't know how my fucking brother TV just cut on because it was on Netflix. I'm like, what the fuck is that, bitch? I should have turned that light off. But hey gang, I know it's been a minute, like 3 weeks type shit since I posted a new YouTube video, so I'm here, I'm back and I'm better. Don't ask me why I have on a jacket. It's cold up in this motherfucking house. Don't tell me turn the air down because then I'm gonna be hot. So this my 50-50 right here. I'm hot and I'm cold at the same time. I'm good. But anyway, so I told y'all I wanted to do more cooking with Curt videos, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm finna make some buffalo and barbecue wings. I ain't gonna even lie though, that chicken I just took out the refrigerator, I actually took that out like the night before last because, okay, so let me explain. The night before last, I made some buffalo and barbecue wings for my nieces, me and my nieces or whatever. And it wasn't enough wings. So I took out some additional chicken. I took out like 20 more pieces. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna cook these later on. Bitch, I ain't even falling asleep. And so I was like, alright, I'm gonna cook them tomorrow. Bitch, I never ended up making them. I never ended up making them that day. So that was yesterday. And I'm just making them today. So yeah. Cause ain't no food going to waste around here. But I had to sit in don't start. Y'all will go on that back porch. I gotta sit in vinegar, lemon juice, and water and shit. So I'm finna clean them off real quick. I hope y'all clean y'all chicken, and then I'll be right back. We're having technical difficulties, y'all. Unfortunately, I don't think I was supposed to leave that chicken in the refrigerator for that long. Which it really wasn't that long because it was late Tuesday night. So technically it only been like 1 day. But I looked up on Google and they said that this chicken is going bad because I'm trying to find it. Okay, but like this chicken is turning yellow, and I looked up on Google on what that means. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh my God. I don't know if y'all can see, but I mean, it don't stink, it don't stench, like it ain't got no stench to it or nothing. So I mean, my sister said it's good and I can still use it. But me, I don't think I want to use it. So I think I'm gonna throw all this chicken in the garbage. It's like this 21 pieces. I'm finna throw all this shit in the garbage, and then I'm finna take some more out. But I don't even have no vinegar. Oh, they said I could use lemon juice too. Okay, yeah, I'll be back when this fucking chicken defrosts because I don't have no other fucking choice but to fucking wait. Unless I use this chicken, and I'm scared, y'all. Like, I'm really scared. I don't know. I ain't gonna take no risk. My sister said it could have been changing colors because I put lemon juice and and vinegar up in the water that it was sitting in the refrigerator. But I don't know. I'm scared. Alright, so I got the new chicken in the sink and it's waiting to defrost. So once that get done defrosting, then we back. But till then, we're waiting. But I don't know how my fucking brother TV just cut on because it was on Netflix. I'm like, what the fuck is that, bitch? I should have turned that light off. But, oh, yeah, that's what I was going to say. I gotta take this chicken down to the garbage. I know this shit finna stink. That shit finna spoil you like a motherfucker. Them raccoons gonna be trying to get to this motherfucker. Woo! BRB. So, while we wait for the chicken to defrost, I'm finna go roll up and smoke and get on live and come talk to you hoes. So, see y'all in like 3 minutes. Funny thing is, I'm sitting right here editing this video, and I just came across the part where it said, I'm finna go roll up and shit. Y'all, if you remember that live, because that was probably like about 2-3 weeks ago when I did this video, I was so blue, y'all. I lost my weed and all. Like, I do not know what happened to it, but I think the motherfucker downstairs stole it. But that's either here nor there. We ain't even gonna talk about that. But yeah, G, I had came and got on live, and I was literally looking for my weed, and I could not find it. I was so blue, and that's even why this video took so fucking long for me to post, because I was mad and I didn't even want to fucking finish recording no more. Like, I was blue. But yeah, I'm back 3 hours later. Y'all, I'm high right now, but that's not even the motherfucking purpose. I didn't even want to do this video no more because I'm blue. I'm mad. I lost my weed.
2 hours ago? Are you recording?
Yes. What y'all doing?
I was coming to get some food.
Bitch, all I remember is I had my weed before I walked up in the house. After that, I don't know. But I know I was debating if I wanted to smoke before I do this video. I think the nigga downstairs picked it up whole time. But I'm seasoning my wings right now. I ain't even know she fucking had her friend over here. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know if I want to post this video. Cause I'm mad. I'm irritated. We gonna see how I feel. Cause I always say that. And folks, this is how you this is my dumb ass steady repeating. This is how you season some chicken. Let it go. And they gotta let me know when they finna smoke too, because I'm mad that I ain't got my fucking weed. Like, I really hope that I find it, which I highly doubt. I'm telling y'all, that nigga downstairs got my shit, cause he was outside. He was outside cleaning out his girlfriend, his wife, whatever it is downstairs. He was outside cleaning out her car or whatever. And I started walking in the crib. I know I had my weed when I got out the car, cause I know for a fact I had it when I had walked up to the door. But I don't know for a fact if I had it when I came in. But I'm pretty sure I did, and I set it on my dresser. But I don't know. But if I did, then what the fuck is it at? Cause I done look everywhere, literally everywhere, and that's that now. I should have had it right there in the whole time. Well, next time we know. My motherfucker promo date for this shit today. Well, actually, this air fryer was free. I did a promo for this purifier. Y'all will see when I upload the promo or whatever. Cause I'm gonna send a message in the Discord, and I'm gonna tell y'all to go hype it up. But I did a promo for this fucking purifier, but what I was gonna say, yeah, I was supposed to do a promo for this fucking purifier, But I am doing a promo for the purifier, but they wasn't offering me enough, and I was like, no, I'm cool. Like I can't do that because y'all rate is too low. Well, y'all offer is too low, whatever, and that was below my motherfucking rate. So they was like, oh well, we'll give you a free air fryer, or whatever, and I'm like, you know what? I take that because I always wanted an air fryer, and now I got one. And I'm using the fuck out this bitch. I'm air frying the fuck out me some shits. If you don't have the air fryer, you really need to get one. Like seriously. I love it air fryer. A little bit on tonight. See this fucking fly, bro. I'm finna kill this bitch. Seriously. And now we wait, and I'll be back when this get done. Okay, bro. The first batch is finally done. Really didn't even take that long. I thought I was gonna be able to go in the room real quick, play the game. That shit was quick as fuck. Y'all wanna see? Yeah. Put the second batch over in. Alright, y'all. So they finally all done. So now I just gotta make the sauce, the barbecue sauce and the buffalo sauce, and dip them on up in there. Then they done. I just noticed that one of these motherfuckers still got a piece of feather on there. I need to take it off. Ooh, that's hot. I think that's the one right there. They actually turned out pretty good. At first, my first time making chicken up in here, it was my mama that fried it. It wasn't me. I was like, "Ooh, I really hope this shit come out good and it cook all the way through." Like I was scared, I was skeptical. I'm like, "This fuck, air fryer." The whole time, I love this damn thing. This is the best thing I've invented. Yeah. This is how they look. So far. Yeah. Got no Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. We all left, and I did not go to the store. But this should be enough. This Kroger's or whatever. And then just some regular Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. Does the job. But I add some spice seasonings to the buffalo sauce to make it a little bit more spicy. For the barbecue sauce, I just use barbecue sauce and sugar because that's what my mama always did when she made barbecue chicken. She just used barbecue sauce and sugar, so that's what I'm using. I only add like nothing major to my buffalo sauce. I just add paprika, because you know that's spicy. Give it a little bit of extra spice. And then I add this Slap Your Line Cajun season too. Who is that? I just noticed we got some food coloring up in here. And I didn't even know we had this up in. Actually, I want to make a TikTok. You like, pink sauce, pink sauce. Stop playing with him. What? Yeah. 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 Anyways, ooh, I'm getting them all over the barbecue wings. Let me do it this way. Okay, that's enough for that.